Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Lisa, and today I'll be making Hawaiian sweetbread. So here are my ingredients. You need 2 cups of warm water. I've already put the packets of yeast and a cup of warm water. You need an egg, 1 full line of butter. You need sugar, and you need flour. Let's get mixing. So since I've already put the first cup of warm water, I'm going to put the second one in. Then I'm going to use a hand mixer. This is optional, you don't require it. After a bit of mixing, I'm going to add 1 egg, and my butter. Make sure it's warm and not hot because then it's going to...
I'm going to mix this all up. So after all of that, I'm going to add 3/4 of sugar. So that should be enough. So on this again. Once I'm done with all of those,
I'm going to add the flour. After that, I'm going to mix it again. So now, after I'm done with all this, I'm going to go and pound it. So now I'm going to pound it with African mortar and pestle. I'm going to pour this mixture in to the mortar and pound it with the pestle. Now it's all in, time to start pounding. I'm getting all of this into the pan that I'm going to be baking it with. So after I'm done pouring it in and spreading it around, now I'm going to put it in the oven. I'll show you guys it when it's done. So we're finally done with the bread, and here's the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye.